today we're going to be mixing colors with ours. We need these little tablets. Let's get them out. We need to put them in each cup. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. It's like fizzing. Let's look in now. Okay, let's stir them around. When I put the yellow in front of the red, I see orange. When I put it behind when I put the yellow behind the blue, I see green. Did I do this one? Yeah, I don't even know. I'll just take it. So when I put the red behind the yellow, I see orange. When I put it behind the blue, I see purple. There, let's mix some of this then now. It's green. Let's get some more. Ha-ha! Okay, now let's take. I'm gonna turn like blue with purple. It's yellow. Then you can't always see what that color is. Okay, this is kind of not turning out how I thought it was, but it's not that orange. It kind of looks red. Let's compare it. See, so it's a little orange. Yeah, it's a little orange, but it's still like red. So when I suck it up in here, look, that drop looks orange. How is it not? Look how much I've been using. So this is mixing colors with your eyes. Ta-da! So, okay, so let's see. So, green, orange, purple. Look, I got orange. I finally got orange. I'm gonna pour it.
Now what happens when you mix them together?
All together?
Yeah, do it in the cups and see what happens.
Okay, let's do it. There. Color mixed. 2 color mixed. Wow, that's cool. It's brown. It's like a coffee brown. It's like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Everybody know? Does anybody want Coca-Cola? No. Nobody wants Coca-Cola. It's Coca-Cola. It's like Coca-Cola, look, brown. And then look, disappearing water. Oh, look, I got orange. I finally got orange. Educate, I'm gonna pour it. Wait. This would be cool. I have like experiment. Pour this orange, the orange right here into that cup. That would be cool. Look, it's still brown. Haha. Still brown. So yeah. Brown. It's like a yellowy brown.